Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to reshare on Instagram so you can easily share posts with your followers. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app and scroll through your feed. This is where you'll see posts, reels, and carousels from people you follow. Step 2, find a reel, feed post or carousel you want to share. Choose something that you think your followers will enjoy or find useful. Step 3, tap the repost button with 2 circular arrows located to the left of the paper airplane icon. This button is important because it allows you to share content directly to your profile. Step 4, add a note in the text bubble to give context to your repost. Writing a short message helps your followers understand why you're sharing it. Step 5, tap save to repost the content to your profile. Once saved, the post will appear on your feed for your followers to see. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials.